really need to be there for Snow right now. And I can't be distracted by this fear. So don't think easier said than done. After my wife died, 5